Hi, today I'm here with Yacov Cazes of RAD Data Communications. Yacov, what are the key values that you offer your Ethernet access customers?
So our customers who are the service providers, we offer with the capabilities to have their service profitable and not painful, as we see behind me. Now the way to have the service profitable has to address the total cost of ownership. So we provide them with the tools to reduce the total cost of ownership by monitoring and managing the service end to end. This is the rest that addresses the three stages in the service. The first stage is the service turn-up. In this case, we provide the service providers with the tools to actually measure and verify that the service they are going to commission is up to the parameters that their customer has bought. The second stage of the service is the ongoing monitoring, where we provide the tools to the service provider to monitor the connectivity and then monitor the performance of the service and verify that it is up to the SLA that the customer has bought. And in case it is not, or there is an SLA degradation, so we proactively advise the service monitor about the degradation so he can take preventive steps and perform better the SLA. So in that case, he will also avoid the penalties that might endure. In that aspect, we also provide the tools to present the performance parameters in a performance monitoring portal that can be shared with the end customer. The third stage of the service is the fault management and recovery. So in case there is a problem with a service, we make sure that we find out this problem, we report it to the customer, and we take steps of resiliency to recover from this situation, either by different topologies or different connectivity or redundant connectivity that can take steps to recover from this fault situation. This is especially also important to mention that we also provide the tool for fault localization. So if there is a fault, we can actually allow the service provider to easily localize the fault and troubleshoot it faster. So I think these tools actually are very important or essential to keep the cost of the service low. And this is especially important in the Ethernet service because the price of an Ethernet service is relatively low. And if you are not taking steps to reduce the cost of ownership, the service is not profitable.
So we're here at Ethernet Expo. Is there anything new that RAD is presenting?
We are coming with a new product called the NID, which is a miniature network interface device, the size of a finger. And the form factor, the small form factor of the product and the small power consumption of this product actually opens up a new range of applications for a NID. It can be used, for example, inside of a non-carrier Ethernet device to enhance it with carrier Ethernet capabilities. It can be used inside of a router to allow it for carrier Ethernet monitoring capabilities. It can be used inside a base station to allow it carrier Ethernet monitoring capabilities. So the focus of the product is about monitoring the service with an ease of installation. And actually, we think it's quite a dramatic product because it opens up new applications to us. And we are very optimistic about the success of this product.
Yacov, thanks for joining us today.